vloggity vlog.
Why do we always do that?
I don't know. I got a thing for it.
Okay, we ate some stuff at this place
We lost Nisa for a little while.
for a long time.
Yeah.
And
I
this
was lost
is
for a
super
minute in the museum. Why are you trying
What
to
are you
block
doing?
my face?
This is really good. And
35, 37.
Oh, come on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
But yeah, that was
So,
it, guys.
yeah.
We're going to BMW World.
I don't
I'm gonna
really
take
want
a picture on a motorcycle and caption the Instagram motorsport. Just be ready. Be ready. I'm gonna try to look fancy.
I just
Yes,
don't.
and a nice BMW.
Yeah.
I just don't like
That's
cars.
what I
To Marine Platts. I don't know if that's how you say it, but we're going back there to go shopping and find Brandy Melville. Okay, bye. So many clickbait video ideas.
We bought a motorcycle.
We are at the BMW. I wanted to call it BMO for some reason, like same with Kennedy. But we're at the BMW factory place.
That is.
And we got in cars. I don't even like cars.
Oh.
Hate them.
But I love.
But it's okay because we're going on a sightseeing tour now.
I like fancy
And
cars. I'm gonna fall asleep. I'm
me
so, like,
too.
Not trying to be.
But we're doing that, and yeah, there'll be some pics of the factory.
I want to see
In Austria, fam.
600-year-old building.
Yes.
Wait, say it again.
Most of these buildings you're looking at are 600 years old. That's why everything's still here. Munich was flat. So pretty much everything you were looking at yesterday was all built after 1946. It looks kind of old, but it's not old at all. Exactly.
What do we do, guys? We ate at the Hard Rock Cafe.
I feel ready for bed.
It was delicious. We all ready for bed.
We were best friends. I mean, I knew everything about this girl. I knew her favorite color. I knew her favorite food.
Hotel room is booming.
Barely golly problem.
You know what? We figured out how to turn our light on. That's cool. This is our view. Oh my gosh. I'm scared of the And yeah, and tomorrow. Yeah, and those are our closets. And those are our beds. No!
Venice.
Italia!
Hungry. You want an apple?
Oh, look at this view. Okay, not you. We're
On a gondola.
in Italy, obviously.
Screaming something at his friend.
And this is our view. Well, technically not really our view. And there's Carly.
Hi. I feel like my backpack is making me 10
And,
pounds.
yup, me too. But yeah, it's so pretty. So let's look at the city.
I found Jesus. There you go. You're welcome. Enchilada. Jesus enchilada.
I have nothing to say.
I thought we were moving, but it's the other boat. She bought stuff. I bought this. I'm eating this. And what else did you get? 4 cream five cream 4 American. A sweater, and some pizza. A postcard,
Pizza.
a big old pizza. I ate a banana. I went on a gondola. I'm on a boat. Got some hose. Where are we at, Zara?
We at Mickey D's.
We're at McDonald's.
It's
And
bougie.
no-
Look at these wings.
And a share bucket and wings. I don't even.
Oh, 22 chicken McNuggets. It's a share bucket. 22.
That's extreme. Oh.
Delete. We got fries. I made a cheese.
Crazy bud. Oh my gosh. And there's more than one floor. Sorry.
It's exactly 7. We did good.
Wow. I'm proud of us. Why does it have donuts?
Are you sure? Because like I didn't see mine at first.
They have donuts.
I don't think it's good. This is
We got our fries and our Coca-Cola. Yep.
so just like Manhattan, there's 2 floors. In this
Maybe there's
McDonald's.
3. There was 3 in Germany. Or Austria, I mean.
3 floors.
Yeah, Kaylee took pictures. Whoa.
Yes.
Extreme.
I'm sitting across from Sid.
That is extreme.
Crazy. It's Manhattan. They have 2 floors in their McDonald's.
Take it slow, and you rock out the show. You get the best of both worlds. Mix it all together, you know that it's the best of both worlds.
Why didn't you do that?
What's up, guys? It's the Home Girls TV.
Coming at you with another clip for the vlog. I just like to live the experience. And then, yeah, instead of videotaping it the whole time. Are you good? Yes. Bye. So we don't need her in this clip. So it's just me now. Anyways, so we just watched her old YouTube videos.
They were so funny. I'm glad I posted them. My hands were kind of weird back then. They were kind of young. Alright, so today was our last full day in Europe. Niece is really sad.
I am really sad.
I'm sad, but I'm excited to be going home. 'Cause
I'm
I miss my family. I miss bed, and I miss Tim Hortons.
Where am I at now? Ooh. Oh, she got me at the end.
Okay, but we're gonna give you a tour of our hotel room. So, what's the room in front of you, Nisa? Oh, the bathroom. We got the hair dryer. Sheet.
Broken.
Okay, you know what? It was like that. Okay, we got a hair dryer. We got this beautiful sink that pours out fresh water because we appreciate the little things in life. We got clean glasses for the fresh water. But no, we don't drink it because we wait for it. Mirror. Look how it flushes. Beautiful bathtub, but a leaning slanted back for your comfortability. We got some hand and body soap because they like to hook a sister up, but don't like to give us shampoo.
It says hair, hand, and body wash.
Oh, I'm sorry, guys. See, the one at the sink just said hand. Oh, no, it didn't. I can't read.
And this carpet attached to the wall.
We don't know why it's there.
Why it's there, but it doesn't come off somewhere.
I thought it was a cork board at first, and I touched it, and it wasn't. We got a safe. We got a TV. We got a mini fridge. And that were apart but are now together because they put it in front of the nightstand. Family lamb jam. And some stuff here. We got our phone for our wake up call and our wake up call only. Oh, sorry guys, we're prepared. Our little the best view ever. Darkness. But there's a light over there. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Comment, and subscribe. I don't know.
Stop.
In New York, I'm Millie Rock. I got in my socks. Ooh. Shooting at the ops. Okay, bye.
Morning. Ew.
I'm ready to go home and go to bed.
Yeah, I just want to hug my mom and then come back. So.
Hug my mom and come back. I need it.
Okay, anyways, so we're eating breakfast and it's the last day and it's sad. We're going to the airport in about 5 minutes. Yep, exactly 5. That's crazy. Yeah, I just had that chocolate cereal again because it's so good.
I had another sandwich.
This whole trip, she's had sandwiches.
And fruit, and I had a sausage.
If you thought I would wait for you, you got wrong.